This is an error which might appear after recent Windows update. This bug is related to the missing DLL file from the Windows Media Future Pack and prevents users from using video streaming services. First, let's install Media Future Pack on Windows version N. Check your Windows version by right-clicking on this PC icon, which is located on your desktop, selecting Properties and looking at Windows Edition section. Now download the Media Future Pack from the given location and run the installer. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the process and restart your PC. Now let's use Command Prompt to enable media playback. Press Windows key with R simultaneously, type in CMD, then press Ctrl, Shift and Enter keys simultaneously, then click Yes button in User Account Control pop-up window. Then, in Command Prompt environment, type in the displayed command and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.